Ate Karen. First, let me start by saying that Ate Karen is absolutely today. And it's real pleasure into our family. When Kuya Mike told me to be his best man, it seemed to like a casual thing at first. But as I thought more about it, it became a very big deal for me. I began to feel the detailed overwhelmed and with emotion and importance of this day. I realized that out of everyone that Kuya Mike would have chosen, he chose me. And it's really special, so thank you, Kuya Mike. As I began to think, Kuya Mike and what he means to me in my life, I realized that I needed to tell him that I love him and will always support him in everything he chooses to do. So many of my memories are of when we were just boys, but now I look at the man he was so developing into, and I was well up with pride to be able to call him my brother. And it's not said enough sometimes. It's not said, but my brother is a person that I always come to, had a great deal of love and respect for. I learned to be a better person because of him. I learned yung tinatawag nilang patience, understanding, strength, loyalty, and love. And these are the same things that Kuya Mike is bringing to his new life with Ate Karen. Ate Karen, I ask you to take care of him and love him with everything in you, because that is only way Kuya knows that is that with him believing you. To my brother, Kuya Mike, who I've always loved, and his new wife, I wish that both of you all the happiness in the world, and may you bring each other patience, understanding, strength, loyalty, and love for this day forward until death do us part. Finally, I would like to say another thank you to everybody for coming and joining the new married couple in their celebration. And I'm sure you will agree they make a fantastic couple. Ladies and gentlemen, please all join me in a toast to the happy couple. Long may their love last. Cheers!
This much is true.